Today we're going to be talking about the top 3 interior products for the 2010 all the way up to 2024 Toyota 4Runner. For the very first product, we have something for your phone. So we have here the Offroam Phone Mount. This requires no drilling or any major modifications to get this installed. Now I'm going to get this opened up and get it installed and show you what it looks like. So this is what it will look like out of the box, and you have 2 locations here. You can install it right here or over here, or both if you and your passenger both wanted one. Now it comes with this red pad already installed for you. So all you need to do is just really slide it in there to position. Let this lay down. On top of this ball here, there is an Allen head. You have this provided tool in the box as well. And then all you have to do is just tighten this up like so. And then once it's snug, you have a very solid connection point there where that's not going anywhere. And then you change this or move this to wherever you want it to be. Let's say I want it here. Go ahead and tighten that up. Then grab your phone, slide that in like so, and there we have it. Pretty solid. So this is my number 1 mod, just because everybody has phones nowadays and everybody wants it in front of them, either for navigation or just any reason really to have it there in sight. Offroam also offers a magnetic mount as well. So if you like kind of a single hand operation, it'll just snap on like that and lock into place. And it's a very solid magnetic connection, especially if you use one of these cases from Peak Designs. So the next one is already installed in the truck, and I don't know if you noticed, but these are it. These are the LED bulb replacement. This is going to be replacing the map lights here. Also in back here, we have the dome light, as well as the door lights on each door as well, and the vanity light as well. So complete interior light upgrade. Everything is white, it's clean. It makes the truck look modern and not outdated. Now the last one is going to be right down here. We have the Toyota floor mats here, but as you can see, it's kind of flimsy. The coverage isn't really that great, and we're gonna get these guys out and swapped with what I would recommend. Now, before we throw it in the vehicle, we have a quick side-by-side comparison. So you can see here, we're flimsy, pretty stiff, and then you'll also notice how much more coverage it is. The sides are a little bit more, the inside definitely. So let's get in the truck and see what it looks like. All right, so in they go. They have these caps right down here that will pop out for the safety floor mat pins so they don't slide or accidentally bump your gas, throttle, or brakes. So you can see here, the coverage comes out about another 3/4 of an inch to an inch more. So that way more dirt and stuff can get actually pushed out instead of falling into that crack into your carpet. And then it comes up a little bit further right here as well, and especially over here on the inside of the walls. Being that they are stiffer, you can unlatch them and grab it and just dump out whatever you spilt or dirt or mud, whatever it is in there. So making it super easy to empty anything in there. Now in the back is probably my favorite floor mat of them all, just because it goes so far. And I'll show you what I mean. So this is the factory one. You can see here 4Runner, and it's kind of loose in here. So it slides all over the place. So we'll get this guy out. This here is the Lastfit one. We just opened it out of the box, so it's gonna take a little bit of time to actually flatten out. But you'll see there, it fits a lot better. It doesn't really slide. So I'm pushing it pretty hard here. So it doesn't really slide, but that's not all. So the one thing with the back seat being down is if you were hauling something that's pretty long, the back of the seat is carpeted and exposed to whatever being hauled back here to get scratched up. Now that's where this comes in. This comes with the rear hatch floor mat, and it has Velcro on the back side here, and it gets installed just like this. You line it up, pat it down, and then now you have a fully protected back seat, so that way when you throw stuff back here, the back of your seat doesn't get messed up. And then lastly, we have the factory rear seat floor mats. Same thing, kind of flimsy. When you lift it up, everything just kind of falls out, as you can see here. But at least it is a single piece, so that way it's just completely all the way across and fully covered. So here is the Lastfit one, a little bit stiffer, easier to handle. And then you can just slide it in here like so. And there we have it. A little bit more coverage around here, so it's gonna trap a lot of the dust and dirt and any spillage that you may have and prevent it from going actually under and onto your carpet. All right, guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the top 3 interior mods. If you feel like there are some that we should have mentioned in this video, let us know down in the comments, but we will have links to all 3 of these down in there as well. So if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys next time.